What's going on, YouTube? This is KREESE here. Today I want to bring y'all a video unboxing of my Merrell Moab Vent 2 shoes. I just got these in, guys. Super excited about these things. Got the walnut color. As you can see, that's them right there. This is just medium width. I wear 9.5, 10 in some boots, but majority of the shoes I wear 9.5 for some reason. We're gonna go ahead and flip these babies open. I ordered these on Amazon, guys. I picked these things up for a little under $100. I really wanted to get these. Y'all seen some of my videos, me and my buddy, my girlfriend, when she can go hiking the Palmetto Trail. I mean, we're having an awesome time doing that. Just doing outdoor stuff, a little bit of bushcrafting on the side, just kind of kicking around the woods. I had my my Nike tennis shoes that y'all have seen. I've been using those, but I really wanted something like a little more rugged. I understand Merrell, when they use the Vibram sole, they're supposed to be really good. So go ahead and flip these things open and let y'all take a look at them. Here you go, right here. So this is the shoe, like I said, Vibram sole, supposed to be the bee's knees, so to speak. These shoes, guys, from the reviews and everything I see on them, they're just supposed to be really great shoes. I wanted to do an unboxing for y'all. I haven't seen an unboxing. Vibram. So I mean, these are brand new, guys, never been worn. Tacking's still down in the shoe. Give y'all a shot of the back of them. Your little pull tab here, so you can slip them on your heel good. Let's see, you got the other one in here. Be something if they sent me one shoe, wouldn't it? Alright, so alright, so here's both the shoes. I had tried these on at Simpson's Hardware, but they didn't have the exact size I was looking for. Not really size, but style. I think they might have had the vents and then not the vent 2. Yeah, they didn't. I don't think they had my size. That's what it was. But anyway, guys, this is the color I went with. They have several different colors. I'm going to go ahead real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and try these bad boys on real fast.